Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI.
If you've got a garden or houseplants that is being bothered by some little pests, then I would recommend this Garden Safe Houseplant and Garden Insect Killer. This is a ready-to-use solution and it is made with botanical insecticides. So this is a really great option.
I have found this to be effective on all kinds of pests. Most recently, I used it on this rubber plant where I had noticed all of these little gnats crawling all over it and around the pot, and they had to go. So this is a quick, ready-to-use spray, and it kills on contact. And the nice thing is that it kills all stages of the insects, including the eggs. It works on a variety of different types of pests, and you can actually use this on indoor and outdoor plants, and even up to day of harvest if this is on edible plants. After just a few short minutes, I rechecked my soil and there was nothing crawling around, and that makes me very happy. And that's my point of view.